Hello. We are talking today about the Audio-Technica Ath-M50xBT number 2, which is the new and improved version which was released last year from the guys at the Audio-Technica. They need no further introduction. I mean, everybody heard of Ath-M50x headphones, which are one of the best, if not the best, wired headphones on the market. And if you look it up, they are almost everywhere, in every studio, in every recording, in every podcast. They will use Audio-Technica. And why? Because they are the leader. They are the leader in the audio quality. So if you need audio quality, Audio-Technica is the right way to go. So, but why did I choose Audio-Technica for me? Because I'm only let's say PC gamer slash IT guy working let's say 9 to 5 at a job and occasionally gaming, let's say. But why did I choose Audio-Technica? So stay tuned with me because we are gonna go through the 6 reasons why I picked Audio-Technica. And also there's a bonus round at the end, so please stay tuned. As you probably know or already saw my last video, I I first bought the ATH S220BT Audio-Technica, but those were really small for my ears and they were starting to hurt me, and my ears were hurting like crazy after just half an hour, 1 hour of using them. And also these are really large over the ear headphones, which are much more nicer for me. So let's go. I told you about 6 reasons. Let's start with number 1, connectivity, because I've always had a problem with cables. I don't like cables. I'm always afraid of using cables. Not really afraid, but they always tangle and you can't get up from your desk. Look, I'm standing up. I'm at my standing desk and you can see me. I'm far away. Hey. So I can move, I can be free without having to be aware, oh, your cable, oh, you dragged that, oh, you dropped your headphones. Connectivity. These are now wireless and they offer a really nice sound via wireless, I may say. And also in the package, I will not do the unboxing because for me, honestly, this is really... I mean, what kind of unboxing do you need? This is an USB-A to USB-C charger for your headphones, and this is a jack-to-jack cable, so you can connect them whenever you don't want to use them via wireless, or if you don't have battery, you can just connect them and use them, and that's it. Let's go to number 2. Okay, battery life. Because I'm using these headphones a lot and I stay a lot at my PC, of course, I need a lot of battery life. So without further ado, if you look it up, the Audio-Technica Ath-M50xBT, which is with the previous generation of these headphones, had only 40-hour battery life. And now with this new version, they come with 50-hour battery life. And I must say that I charged them last week and they're still battery level high. I mean, 50 hours. And did I mention about that USB-A to USB-C cable? 4 hours to a fully charge. Now let's move on to sound quality, because everybody wants to know how do they sound. So I have to mention out of the bat, they have an app, Audio-Technica, and also they have an EQ there where you can adjust the sound as you like. And one thing that needs to be mentioned, they are not incredibly loud. So for example, if you go and buy Skullcandy headphones, then you're gonna expect your brain to... These are not for like that. These, if you want a sound that's crystal clear and it's, let's say, pleasant to your ears without having your skull vibrating like crazy, because if you know, Skullcandy has that bass button where you can adjust how hard your skull can vibrate. This is not for me. Sorry, I tried it. It's not for me. And you must try. Most people won't believe this, but you have to try to listen a song, and can recommend for you this song. It's the Cat Empire. The formation is Cat Empire, and the sound is the Lost Song live version. Oh my god, it's got everything you need to enjoy these headphones. And also an important factor, I'm using these headphones at around 60-70% volume because I like to listen a little loud but not too loud. So 70%, it's like a 40-30%, let's say, on the other headphones. Now let's move on to number 4, which is multi-pairing. Of course, I have 3 PCs. You know, I have one monitor over here, one monitor over there, one monitor over there, and I have 2 laptops, 1 PC. So I always need some headphones that I can connect easily between all of them. Of course, this does not support multi-pairing with all 3 at once, but what I did, and you will understand easier because last week when I tried them on, I connected them to my phone and to my PC. I was listening to some music on my PC, and for some reason my phone rang, somebody rang, and my headphones recognized that I'm receiving a call. They put the YouTube on my PC on mute, on pause, and I could answer my phone from the headphones. Damn. What do you need extra? I mean, it's really nice. Also, they connect really easily between all of them. You can switch them really. So for now, they are connected right now to that PC and to that PC and to my phone. You can just click on your phone connect or just stop all the audio sources around it, and they will just switch to the audio source that is currently playing, which was last connected. Which is really nice if you ask me. Now let's move on to number 5. Can you see it? Number 5. Yeah. Noise cancelling. Yeah. They don't have noise cancelling. Let's get out straight away. I didn't buy these because they have noise cancelling. I bought them because they don't have noise cancelling. And that's why. Let me explain. Well, I'm at home. As you can see, I am all alone. I don't need noise cancelling. So why pay extra for a feature that I will not be using? You get it? I don't need noise cancelling. And also, these are really good sound proof. For example, if you put them on your ears, they will also isolate sound since they are over ear. They are pretty big. So, do you need noise cancelling? I don't. I need the sound and all of that. Now, let's move on to the microphone. And for that, let me switch up. Okay, I have switched now to the Audio-Technica microphone. And also, while I'm doing this, I'm also screen recording, so you will be able to see my screen over there. We're gonna enable low latency mode, of course. Yes, we want to enable these settings. Yes, these settings have been enabled, and also the voice is now being recorded via the microphone in the headphones. So without further ado, this is the quality of the microphone, and yeah, that's it. Let's move on to number 7. Okay, number 7. For number 7, I have to take these off so you better understand what I'm talking about. I'm talking about build quality. I mean, these are really robust. You can do whatever you want with them. Look, this is a metal. It's really nice. Also, nice cushion. Also, the cushions are changeable, but they also fold in any direction you want. You can roll them, you can adjust them, you can swing them, you can do whatever you want with them. They also have left and right on each side of them, so you can better see which is which in this case. And also, let's not forget the 4 buttons, or to mention them, because they have only 4 buttons: plus, minus, start, stop, or pause, how do you want to call it, and also the dedicated Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa button. Besides this, we have the LED LED over here. I don't know if it's visible. or not. It will turn on in just a second, as you saw. Besides this, we have the input jack and also the USB-C type, the USB-C for charging and USB-C port. Damn, I was looking for port. And that's it. I mean, they are, from my point of view, these are one of the best wireless headphones that I've ever tested. So, should you buy them? Hell yeah! If you have the money, what are you waiting for? Come on, go buy them and drop a comment down below. What did you like? What you didn't like about this video or the headphones? And see you in the next one. Bye.